So now I got all the parts on the truck. Looks pretty nice. So now you just need to put the axle on, and one other thing the kit doesn't come with is the studs. The 6 studs for your axle. They're axle retainer studs. They're like 3/8 24 on one side and I think like half by something on the other. So make sure you keep these out of your hubs when you send them in, because when you get them back, you're not going to have them. So other than that, we're going to put these in, slide our axle in. I clean this surface really well, make sure there's no grease on it, and just inside here I clean it really well. And also the nut, your axle has a seal on the outside of it which slides over this, so make sure this surface is clean. This is clean. I just put a little silicone, black silicone on here. Make sure it's really clean, like I said, 5 times, and torque down your axle. And then you're golden. And then you bleed those bastards and see how that truck runs. So there you go. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to start posting more stuff. This is a Cummins 4BT truck. I already have disc brakes on the front from vintage Power Wagon. It's a frame off truck. It's probably one of the nicest ones I've built. You're not going to find a much nicer truck than this. It's got a fully polished frame, navigation, really nice interior. So just follow me and I'll show you some cool other projects. I'll give you a little sneak preview over here. This is a 3100 project. I know you Power Wagon guys probably into 3100, 1950 Chevrolet 3100. It's gonna be a pretty trick truck, so follow me guys. Thanks.